This is where I'm going to install the shelves. This is our guest bathroom. It's a pretty small bathroom, doesn't have a lot of storage. We thought about putting a cabinet above the toilet, but we figured that would make it look even smaller. We figured the open shelves would provide some storage, but also still make it feel kind of open. Making a mark at the center of the wall. I'll line up the center of the bracket with this mark in a little bit. I'm going to draw a straight line where I want the bracket to go, using a level to make sure we aren't getting off too much. I'm going to use a stud finder to find the location of the studs. The included kit comes with hardware if you can't find a stud, but I always prefer going into a stud if at all possible. Put in a screw into the mark I made where it shows the stud. Then I'll level the bracket and add another screw. Now let's bring in the shelf itself. It actually went on very easy. I was expecting to have to fight it a bit. Now just check the level on the shelf and it looks dead on. Now we'll add the second shelf. Just like before, we'll make a level line, mark the stud location, make a mark for the screw locations, and secure the bracket to the wall. Now I'll bring in the second shelf. Fits perfectly, and I think it looks amazing. All right, there you go.